Yema yetiefo akwaba na yema mo akwaba biem mo apiafo bra yen Facebook no so na kasebo no fo adwenkyire nyina bra yen wotro no brofo ye bekan wotro no Hindu ye bekan wotro no Greece anasa Latin ye bekan Facebook no eye DLFM 106.9 ensemu no ebi mu odu se obo baje adofo chain de da ne komu no Kwadwo praise him
hallelujah
akontanso wa hanti akontanso beka sakakra na fe Yasha kasebo na se
DLFM 106.9
Akontamo medase Yasha kasebo na se ama wo a na ye kwoboko e wotifedo epo ye mantamo mekire Upper East region na arehosam a atwinitie efiade atwa mu nyame ya adoma wo kina ene na wotwe no ne nyina no ene sa ahensam atwiniti e ma ye kasa etuo edi ahim se ne Africa tachi e kwa wade e wo bompurugu yoyo na enam so ma ye kasa arehosam ne kire mu a enipa mako edunson 17 ana sabre womo enam ahensam no so a etuo ene akurubu aka womo a wonom ato ya nom ewo ense edo na womanfo ne kire se womo da so de ya abrantie bia ne din edita hero dambala wono wo yobi a eye forex bureau ibi ehudwa ana wodie na boko montre so ye kasa yakuna to honom a ayawe ho sem papa kire se womo dwene ho a wonom entiase kura na wei enam so ma ye kasa yi empenifo oba mane se enipa mako edunso 17 ema mako enson emema edu ana ye kasa yi mentime ho ase a atwiniti ahensam weesi obede hene weesi me ma wonni weesi me de hene weesi me ma wonni enam so a etu atimi ato asese de ehono mo esne Bangladesh enam so me nipa mako edunso wono nyina tim keja na abusuafo ni nyina no ene se wapani bia ne din edi chief Alhaji Seidu Abagre wono ana manebo ni kirem se why tintintintin why tentan se chiwingam se chenchina chen wo bede hene e wo boko ene ne mpotem ho no mo a ebenum so kire se da bi wodi hene no a enye yie enuntie ma kwan ma woni a amanebo no kra kirem se papa yi enam so nti no wokwahye bebe de hu kosie yi yenim de esi ye ana papa yi asa ma ne kwan se wo mena boko montre so a akatu na brona ga ne kwakwato aba no enipa dasani etima ye no yodium saa ama wapani ani din edi chief Seidu Abagre no wasa atwiniti e wobokone ne mpotamu a enam so asomdwe entimi mfa ne ntoma pa emfra ya enipa mako edunson etuo etimi aka wo mo ayekasa yi aya arehosem papa we enam so ama wosoafo a wohwe amanwe eso mekire interior minister a wo ye miankasa me wo faase a wo ye mra sebedwanin e wo ayawa so central yewra eye Henry Court wode atodwa akire mu ese wono mo so eso adwen ehunu se womo tena se do mo sa hye omo da mefamu a hwe ana jamfi ada womo kenti wonom ede wo hyew ena curfew ana de ato womanfo ne adehye a wonom ewo bokoso na ye kasa wuduro boko a enkwada etu omo namu Amerika edwane pre wo nkwa sada so na mpani ema ne mema wo biada app baby diniti awura efri se ko otwa mansa ana atie simu ewo kwa ebreto mu a sese wo twen kwabra janka wo gina homi a enye yi na sebi empani se de otawo so no wo mera yi a wonso wonti menye wa homenti nam so ye kasa yi ye di videos bi eba ba kire wo ema ne mema se wo mutu wo namu Amerika wo bi adwane ade baby adiniti awura efri se aboa ketekire se nani bokuti pompo ni animu a wodana ni pa aya awura hosem ye kasa yi curfew no amanebo ni kirem se Ghanafo ene adehye a wonom ewo boko ene ne mpotam no anwumre no nsia kan na mepacha wawura dem anopa no nsia ansa no asore na oba ye Facebook no so abehwade o bra abehwade when you can say videos and pictures of Inogan wo hwenhwe wi wani so a enye yie behwesa ema de wo munam Amerika emema edwane baby na ema no ompa baby kura eye tese momo shop bi wo mo de wo muti ko wura mu ani efiri se wo anya baby andoje a hefa anetu etu a wode ne tiri ebefa behwade emema nso to wura mu a kire se enya asam ketwa na minim de onya kokoduro etimi gina ho no mu a wotwa video we ede ba ye behwesa ema wo mo to aduane ya twi etu ase wo mo so nti wo mo nyina nkwada se wo mo chi behwe wo mo namburo mu Amerika wono mo edwane na no nansam trofo tisi montre so ene Ghanafo ne adehia wono mo ewo bokudi nko bosa se nia ekoso no curfew no mo ne je ho ananse mo ni enye ho adehia wo boko etre se nipa no de ko na ye ku wonom na emom se wo mo ne je curfew no ho de dabi emunsam enie na oba ye Facebook no so a behwe ema miensa a wo mo kwa asode ye di tuasi wo mo so a Amerika wo mo de no dwane na je okra nkwa emunsam enie
it's a wrong thing
The fight is in Guanawali, is in Boku, not Guanawali, but they're top people at the roadside and killing them. And they are enforcing this law, this curfew in Boku, face to face. We don't want this curfew in Boku. If there's curfew in Boku, there should be curfew in where? In Guanawali too. So after the curfew in Boku, we don't need curfew in Boku. If curfew is imposed in Boku, then it should also be imposed in Guanawali.
Because it cannot solve our problem. They are brutalizing and beating we those are outskirts, leaving those are inside. And they are the main causes. Why should they impose curfew on us? Since years back till date and there's no peace in Boku. The curfew cannot bring peace in Boku. Unless they remove or they arrested that man, Seru Abagre, they should go for him. They should look for him and arrest him. And that will tell us that for peace great in Boku, they should arrest him.
They are killing us. They are killing us Boku here. We don't need Kufa Ado and Bauma. What it did is a very mistake. It's not supposed to do that. Now even the curfew will not solve the problem in Boku. Why? Because the first man that they bring in Boku there, no? We need the man to vanish Boku right now. If we know that, peace will not come Boku.
Enti ebusuaba yen Facebook no eswa edion empenese aboakusie wono anetu ni bon nanso no se pemere wuramu a asomdwe ntime maintain je se okusie wotu eja pemere ewo bonum enti wenu ye de ekoso ewo boko a ewia gede emema edwom ti wura bom ema nkwada hye wo machi enti mu amu tutu enti nkwada impoja momobo Kwadwo
Oko.
De ekoso enti enye nipa mobokra
emu oyirem. Na me ade ba kwa ya na medwen ho amenti ase ne se. Ye oman ya ye wa asrafo ene ye posifo na hoba mokuo ni nyina wo kurim. Ye wo mpanimfo nso a yedi tumi ama wonom efitiri kwa me nkroma abeso bepem samra me no kase. Boku kuro no nima do kreshi ma samra me no kase. Omuntumi ntu sa ntokwa nase. Me medwen ho amenti ase minim de ntira. Ohu se edu ba bia o man ye de nema di agro. Amahu do obi so antokwasi ma o ma kwatwatwa bi ni munsa ene ma pemfo kunkunkum bi no ko e sha se sumina suja sa ba ko ntokwa we nye nne minima de property a e sha se asamene we Ghana empenifo pese o mo kire se ntie ntumi ntu ase ana aye krankro ya de
asa pani ni o mayim asa mpanimfo ni o mayim ana obi benefit ni ye nimu ana
me ma tete because we hwe nipa ye kunkum wonu mu a omo ye nipa de se ne ye tete ha ya kasa ya omo ye nipa sabe nipa mawo mako edunson
how
ya bo wonu mutu akum ato atwene keke
how
said the NTS ahinsie hu ntokwa die ya I mean ya besre ye nia no mbokofo no so wonu mankasa ntrase na wo ma fa wo ho adwen firi se sade ne ma ekono me hu ni se wo mankasa nya wo ho ntrase e bebo firi se empanifo mo wo man ganam efitiri kwame nkroma abraso bepem samra ye kese na obi ama yate ase se nya de asa wo kuo no betumi atu ase okwana manka ne ye
wo mo show commitment bi a kire se wo mo wa adwen a wo de dwen o manfo no
fo na ye crowd se sa bo ko no betu ase enti o manka sanna enfo mu sumi ye no mo fo mo tinto so anfa mo ho adwen hu ni se wonu be gantokwa no ko efiri se de ye kwasoro manka sankwa ena wono mo de echabi etu atopra fi se nye entumi nko ehwie nipa moja ndu entungu kwa ade ba kwa ha adwen ne se obehwe mpo na obi wo no ntokwa ne mfa ne ho na onku bi ona nba bi keka na etu aka na wawu
na say
I mean why
abrantie ye a ne dia bayi eye Tahiru Dambale wo yo bi a wono no wo ye businessman a wo kọ wo tu kwan ana yakohia na wo kwan so abonutuo
awreho
what you say
ona nba bi keke onka bi nhemu adan ye sentokwa obi anya ntokwa akuntini yakuna to atwene kwa.
And you see, dear Yan say, Henry Cote, dear Yenny is a mountain to one more Ghana for you so disappointed. Say ye were my protocols, I would go, ye were national security, ye were defense, ye were interior, when put your Becca say, yes, soldier for them. Better drew baby, COVID-19 by a lockdown by you know. Yanka say, COVID-19 issue, interior issues. Ye they are soldier for PA. So, sa police for ye nyatrom. Na say politics nintino wo montimi nso anu a munya soldier for nimpie na wo make sure say asumdue be baboko because Kwadwo say already the principles of peace and security was say injustice somewhere is a threat to peace everywhere. Say boko no nko ano asumdue ama automatically Ghana nyina asumdue ni ha
okwa adwen ade ba ko anka me hwe animu ne say o ma ye temun amanyoku akese emienu o man Ghana ma ye nim se atu aba bia ese sebe ntafra hwe ase
anane na butu
sa ne tie enti on pesa sa amanyoku emienu o man Ghana m ha sei no won pesa o mo kire sensi sa boko entokwa no muntumi nka o mutiri mpam ho Etu ase ana.
Na ye musa nse nto omunim ho hwe. Busa no sa. Nti omunim ho hwe because one Kwadwo. Samusi eya hensam de a. Kwadwo eya ensen na ekwa yi. Passing call won frem. Eba ne sen na ya hensam. Na adehye no a omo press akonya ne ho no enkasai. Political parties and run a commentary a press conference why what is the sense in it interest ben amu mu
etoje wonma
interest ben amu wo
se betina se ne de yan kasa yankwa agurato predia e wo ye ne aye ho asoman no se anim ne se ye be sore ne ya mahoba monsem edi hina mayende a etoje ye ne a
Kwadwo
okon
ye were limitations to right and liberties. What must ye? What way say? Oh, right is our benantie. Oh, right of movement, meboa.
Yeah, sure.
But Bibi bet me see your right of movement can be curtailed. Enti na nkofo go afiase no. Ye wo bibi wo hono mu a enipa no se ne presence Kwadwo se ne presence e de wo ha be ba enipa no ye che ne hyedem. Se mususu se wo hene na wan anase papa no e fen say abagre no ne presence inti anamente be hu asie asasode a eye compulsory se papa no wodi hene ana Ghana for mpanimfo enti eye by force sa papa no wodi hene ana se modwen se nipa ne presence inti de nipa ewuo ya Kwadwo Nigeria bakwasem mu na ye frɛ wa hene bi Ken Abiola wo mo hu say the presence of Ken Abiola ebe created tension on Nigeria. He was kidnapped for more than years and sana sumdue ba yamanaba bibi on mo a ebe ko so civil disobedient a ampanifo yenko security school biada ba we de common sense work why any past 17 manya wadwen say what enkran ha enti wo ye free e bia obusuani wo boko ho why politicians aden
se Samuel Usuka ye na nwom no so obeka ya oso okotre etumi kokodi ne mako na abo apontwere ne
ti hu
na fifiri no so ma ye ntena senka se ye de ye wa na 400 emfa ye ho ye tifido mantem na ekoso da bi
na ne se Ghana no sanka ye ne bambofo agina tuku odi an nka de besi enye o ye wo interior ministry Kwadwo ye wo national security ye wo bureau of the investigation ye wo Ghana Armed Forces na nipa ba ko pe presence etimi twifa moso dia then there is no relevance vaso bia ni muso biem less than 1 week nipa 17 yeku womo ana wo man no eye yemfe na COVID-19 ba ye no 1 week ni nipa do say eno kra yeti asojafo ogu krom because se wanfa anu pieto nose mask amo anu a ye dia asojafo ne ba ye. So if you think the police cannot control Ghana forces so much why then aka 37 days to elections Kwadwo wiemu nya fesa o wiemu nya fesa na ka few days to elections na de we nyina asisi asa pani nti wo mayim we make pani bi buafu because wo fu dwene Okogyeabour mfu dwene kasa Kwadwo mienko
oko yanto akasebo no so na yemfiri eye boko e watifide bantane yemfi ani mfa nkyere mu ewo man Ghana ahyenkafo ko edi eda wono so eye Concerned Drivers Association wono maka se kyerem se ye kese no niam nkwaye firi se ahyenkafo no musika sam dansen yom kwa adwuma pon ba wono entimi enyi top money nti e mandodo na ahya se ejeja wono ma kyerem se mumpo mu nyanwale ye nimpo nansen mu aye den wono mo pema ni bia wono mo nsanka wono mo firi se omo sika sam nyade e konkan kura de ma wono na public relations officer edema Concerned Drivers Association the day at the Mr. David Aboado wakaza kyerem say omuntumi ntenase mra adwuma omoye no omuntumi sabe emo akwahoma ofie ma mmade onu betwitwifam mo ho akere wono santi omudo ha muchichemu edunum 50% increment ba betolo fe no sabe ya betimi aboa na wo msudwumadi omudie no wono matimi akwa ni mu abrabom na Ghana fodo na bize say empani fo na de na mukeka kan enti de mu kan transport ministry no mo nem ho bi and have so Ghana Private Road Transport Union GPRT umpenifo so omunim hu bia na so umpenifo kasa kyerem say GPRT umpenifo maka anya de omutie wonom afi so Transport Ministry ni so nim na so nya de omoka ho hwenti wonom ntumi ntena se wadwuma omo yende bia do mbe adwuma wo betu hyan akokwa tenten betena se si kyere sam wo mba na se bom sisi na ye omo ya na so siko mbe di na ho aye den omo kyerem se muntumi mre ngusa e wo mna omo aye temei abe adwuma ye fo de bia lada aketuantimu na ekwaso busu na wakwaje na mo pojo o manansa ahyenkafo na mo bre omo kire mu se di babi mpo traffic e to meche ohun na kwan ye nkọ ma na mfifire pam trotra da basi omo kire mu se mu huna man de ntemu ntumi mrengu sa akra wo mayi mu omo aka se kire mu se ade ba ko nam so mezi make so mpo so mo tena se number 15% increment de beba to chese ne ahyentiade abo mu ni nyina ne se sesi akese o maga ne sikasem enyina ne naso dollar no abomade yakoso mesi de na hwiase nanim aguase pasa omu kirem se ne obi yehyenkan na ne ka na se ne ka na se ne hyen no se pe okwa kwasiesia spare part ne boa ye den ndomba boka sa obawie na adwuma wa yesika nyina ne nyina ne sika ne nyina da hye omu kirem se sane ma we ne nyina o matena se aka mpanifo nya de mbia wo munti omu ntimi ntena se adwuma mo yere mo kamfa ngukwa ye no ne se na men se hyenkan ne be ye adwuma na nso be kofie no na kapre e montoma no ade ba ko motumi todu kofie eye pa no pe eni kuto de da mo front ho a motim de ayi bi chi acha mai ya motim se ne so kra no enye de ehwennin ahyenkafo ya gaza kirem se omuntimi ntena se mo man omumre ngu kwanti wona ma hyebo aka za kirem se yankopɔ ya adoma November busum de dikan obubu busum de dikan no meche November 1st no pe 50% increment ba beto lolo fe ne se be betimi a acheze ne Ghana trotro ne enso ayefu be betimi atwe na hyenkafo no wona botom atimi ayede public relations officer Edema Concerned Drivers Association Mr. David Abuado Ejemre any day kasebo atwetwen komo.
The cost of servicing vehicles or the cost of running transport now is very, very high, and that is the formula in which we always increase transport fares with. All the things over there are very positive. When you go to lubricant, it's 110%. We go to spare parts, it's over 200+%. You go to the stationery and printing, it's 30%. You go to the cost of the car, it's over 1,000%, and even fuel. The lowest among it is fuel, is 8%. So if you put all these things together, and if you want to go by the percentage, so I've been charging 25%, where we have thought this right that things are not normal, and we are in the election year too. We don't want to jeopardize the situation. That's why we are coming out with 15%, starting from on the 2nd November. It will affect all transportation, being share taxi, trotro, intercity, long distance, cargo, name it. All the transport, it will affect.
Any awoti a public relations officer at the Concerned Drivers Association. Neden at the Mr. David Abuado nene and awoti and what say Ghana fopo. Sabon po yankopɔ ya do me free chine kweya se chine ye fiada membendanso eya de sende to so chire se mo mpo lolo fe no 15% o me de beka won na ja yatua na zasensem we mo no enna je sende openipa ono ye deputy transport minister ne din ade Alhassan Suleiman Tampuli wakasa chire se ene wanwa se ne eye Concerned Drivers Association fo anya kukuduro ebegina o man Ghana kasa fidie so e kasa chire Ghana fo se ye na ayefo ka edi tukwan ekoba no ye betua zane lolofe no 50% ya ka ho o chem se omoboa kura se de fantin be se otwa o se omotoa every say na mo mutui eni nyina so bia opani aka se chem se eye ne nwanwampo every say ana mo mutuo no nyina so bia nim afin so ahwehwe man Ghana kwani ba sensam so no onka bi nhyiemu o ma mo mpo akwanya so betimi ato lolofe ni mu waka se chem se efi bosumi ayewo mu yakopem se bosumi nsia kwa afi ewie na chi de obi ani won po betimi ato lolofe ni sent de mo kan de Ghana fo yentungu bagru pa no mu nim na mo to lolofe ni sunte a se de tibere on beti on ba bi enka.
We've heard some noises coming from Drivers Union about the threatened increase lorry fares. I want to say here unequivocally that there's no basis for any such increase in lorry fares between now and the next 6 months. The leadership are here and they know what we do. The triggers that will arise increase lorry fares. Nothing of that sort has happened. And indeed, as at this morning, Ghana is one of 9 countries that have prices of petrol below $1. And in West Africa, we have only 3 countries out of the 15 countries. Needless to say, Nigeria will be there, Liberia, and the next country is Ghana. So the prices that we have in Ghana is one of the lowest anywhere in the world. We are rivaling countries like Egypt, Tunisia, Libya, Angola, Sudan. All of these countries are major oil producing countries. So there can't be any basis for any increments in lorry fare. As a matter of fact, there should be even reduction in lorry fares. So let this message go out to to the drivers union that are threatening any increase in lorry fare. His Excellency the Vice President has said that lorry fares would definitely go down if we are able to bring down the price of petroleum product below $1, and currently we are at $0.953.
Any awoti ye a deputy transport minister Neden Adi Alhassan Sulemana Tampulin which say Adiaba kumpa wa hwani musa shenka fo no baye se TNT na nase lolo fe no wonam bete so every say petrol ni bonense da nya dimbia Ghana de no wiase nyina ya fo pa ne senti ene Ghana fo amofo hyen no monka ncha shenka fo so monte so no mo se se o madwen se o betum no okon de free won fase fo no so atofom ene de asom yen etiefo yi
o betum
o se o monte so kra no munya se o mka se o betum no
o montum na Ghana fo mfa fom omuntum
omunya se o betum no ende omutum be hadwen
omuntum ko na uto on Friday omuntum omuntum ade na mutum Ghana fo be fa fom December grade
but say ya so be hye o
na so se be ade
ya so be hye
ndabi o isi de nipa so betum abende o waka
o komunika na eno nkire say so o ma na yesi ade mra ya adwumu ana nte sa
sa won nte mase
okay
on nte mase
but ade ba kwa ha adwene so okon ye okrom ha ena shankafo okro bi be kan so mbeto lo fim okon aya asagro aka bepem ne yeda sutua
message jai sentra meka so wo muntum
nti ministry ni fa ne nancy form
no ministry no mo nine
omo form nancy form o
omo obi
unu ade e twa me sunu mu power trotro drivers na ho
yeah
ene say bia me fi Accra Central me kwa chim water na ka na fawo obeka tro se wo kwese kro nko bio onya bedu se kra
no sa lodu
ma say e beto aso na wasan tua lolo fe na san de aso instead say obetua 5 cities ana say bia 4 obeko du fi ni watua be 15 cities enya kro no
na drivers na yes ana ahun hwe o mabrabo
me nim de entiam if in fact GPRT mpanimfo ni ministries ni mo fo mo nansi fo ma say Ghana no me nim
Kwadwo
okon ayema tete too much
who say why GPR to you
na car no transport ministry no mo fo mo nansi form
car no nya GPR to you for there
it's mo ye krokro da dwon
yeah busabasi moro do ya industrial relations officer my GPR to you no
nya sakro no
okay say drivers nde emra hye omsem atu mu 15%.
Yes, aka.
If ya haya ne ene abasi muro kasa no say wa wontimi ntua no for car foforo. Na nya fia na wo.
Oh.
Aba. Me say nkremu aso da ne Roma ne methodist nyegu ho kwa wo.
Ya besra hyenka fo no binya na dwen say ye ka atia wonom. Ne kro ma na ye tim ne se mra ye adwuma. Se base ye se ye tubuo no mu a mpanimfo ne bibia nkɔ bankrom ne yɛnte ase sɛ yɛtum pepepe asɛm bia ne akiri ba sɛ obi bɛbɔ ne trimu pose sɛ na mpɛsɛ me yɛ ɛwɔ mmerɛ mfa mra kwan mu ɔkwan ba ne saa na ɔma na yɛtim no na akwa de sɛ obi a yɛ de ɔpɛ enti de bia da de ɔwɔ fam ne brɛ ɛna nyɛ sɛ yɛ saa nso
kɔdwo
ɔko
sɛ nyɛ wɔ hia asɛm wa ho ankaka bi wɔ hɔ no mo ani kwa sɛ nkenipa kora aforo
ɛne ho asɛm de
ɛnso saa car no nso na wotena mu a driver yɛ dwɛ mate yɛ dwɛ
bɛka ho asɛm ayɛ mpɔn nti ɛne de amhwɛ de bɛhyɛ free
wo ho car bi pa driver sɛ watom mate ni si atum to no nso wogi wo sika
de butima na wo ho nyina afɔ
enso a yedi yi apatre kura na enso a ɛyɛ kira mianto akase ebo no so mienko na krom apani bi ani na nom de asi fom
kɔwanim
obi amfa na ntwentwen soro ha ye to kɔjo
ɔko
adio
adwuma yi
hwɛ ensam twro adwuma ni wo kɔ ba bi magyae aba o mawe o kana ha na tie wo mianto akase ebo no eso ai emrahye bedwani a wote abanwa so de ma NDC amanyoko no ewo Sagnarigu mensimu eye honorable ABA Fuseni obube esini wo bia wo Ghana ha na wode atodwa akire mu ese se bi empanese se kraman aye bida ewo hono mu a nyame be kire ye mfa ne nkwa hayo ane so pani wu kirem san honorable ABA Fuseni e kirem se Ghana for the mfinhia nan e maka ne mampane John Dramani Mahama eniema hodo odi mfinhia nan ne ye no se wode mampane akufo ado ene Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baum ya mfinhia nwotwe etoto no ho a etisania wodi hia wo besia se etoto East Legon ene Trasako na wotire mu a NPP amanyoko yi ene wo mamemu a omubu ya Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baum ya eka ho biei wo mo ya mambofo papa said wo matimi aboga na bropa 2016 wo mo ba wo no dede se sikire ne awuo e ma Ghana 40 ye kono koto ba ma wo mun ewi akire dollar enam 17 cedis nanso saa bre no a na Mahama te so no na dollar eye 4 cedis saa bre mampani akufo ado sei Yewura Mahama on resign free side into the wetin atmase ama dollar akwa kodru 4 cedis ana wochirem se sa bre no na dollar 4 cedis na se chenchira mampani akufo ado se na nka Yewura Mahama on resign a enei dollar akwa kodru 17 cedis mampani akufo ado one Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia mo ne nam krom ha efrem ho mampani ene na bedi akire sa ano a emfaso bia da ni muso firi se 17 Ghana cedis dollar na sa oda so a tia baanwa so paasa ban a na mo ho ya ne nwanwa pa wotirem sa Ghana foi mo aso ansa hunu se ba ko mo odu che ba ko na mo hunu se kane mampani John Dramani Mahama we tikasi ya wi adwe wo woni so ade hunu e ba credibility nso wo bi na emom no se wo besa wo bre pa akoto aba e dia ma NPP bie mu die na kire se aye bonsam jem ana Ghana mode ye ekro no wo da to dwa akirem se nyame ya doma katu na bro na Ghana fo nyina ye kwa kwasala biewu yan kompen finhia nan ama ha manya ye eni finhia nwotwe ama mpani akufo ado Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wo manyan ni en fehwe se hwan na agbo Ghana bro na hwan so se asade wo ma no ehye ni nsabiem Yewura ABF seni wakasa ni munsem ni.
By the grace of Allah Almighty, today Ghanaians across the length and breadth of the country, from every nook and cranny, are lighting lanterns to look for you during the daytime. It's a testimony to the lasting legacy, the legacy of vision, performance, commitment, dedication to the progress and development of this nation. Today, it is a question of trust, and I've always said it. It's very clear. President Nana Akufo-Addo and Dr. Bawumia, they have a huge credibility deficit. And that is why I said that if Dr. Bawumia should meet you anywhere and greet you, good morning, look at the position of the sun before you respond. President Mahama says what he means and means what he says. He does not give empty promises. So you is a leader you can trust. This election is also about experience, not experiment. Somebody who has never had the feel. It is not an office where you go and flood with promises. It's an office where you go to deliver. And Ghanaians, is it not amazing? The MPP is holding power. The good people of this country have given them the mandate. And they are making promises. What do they take us for? Because we are giving you power. When you are giving power, you perform. You don't make promises. They are making promises.
Eni ayati ye ayamrashe bedwani awati abenwa so de ma NDC chineye kese amanyuko no ewo sagnarigu abato mpesua so wetefedo ne importer money din e de honorable ABA Fuseni
yanto akase abo no so e ne yankoso anyira mu awo NDC chineye amanyuko num na wonom franka tuni yomampenda da John Dramani Mahama wakase akirem se yankopɔ ya adom na Ghana fo esome na moto abandema ne pe oba odnani bekire mu watifide mantem na yendi abayar sabenzi amekese no bebi edane nye alasebe na tete apra pansam kra ndi wontumi ntranse se obeyo mampanin na ya sebe na bese na de hye mo yeni ni mpotemu no wono ho akire wono mo bra obi eho emfanom wakasa akire mu se sa ne ma hodo ekoso no ontumi so se betre na mayimu amasesa ya sabia mpanifo asidi asi honom emfie bebreni na MPP amanyukwanya kwanya betre na mayi so emfinhia nwatwum ne yewe nanso ya sebe ma moden atwi wo mani e de ama ya sebe ne mo ekoso na nya kra odem se wonya de tuja e wo mra ne nto aba e ye jeze ne nam yensa nto aba ekoso watifide matemu e na okopie mu yendi e na wakase de okirem se MPP amanyuko no moden e de omanga ne hwamo afititu na de hia wonom e wo yendi efiri se wo hwe MPP amanyuko yi ekwanya kase a wonom anya pa sanfinhia wotwe ntimi antrase anwe ade hia mo yendi ho ma ya sebe ya sisi amekese no ade hia na sitrema dendenden de ma efiri se obi yare pe asemo modern transfer no di free potem honom e wo mra ya sabia nso esi wa ya bandia adenzi na motena se na sabe mudi bone sa wakasa akirem se ade ba ko atwa ne suru mpo ne se Ghana ban batena banwa wo su pe e na obehye ebo se ade ba ko na ni kunwu ye pa ne senti okofa agenda 1111 project de ba ye no ni nyina se ya sabe na wosisie enti yendi abaya sabia na sabe eno anka ya sabia o manga na ho ana adenti na Ghana mampani na denga Akufo-Addo en na be de chi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia mo batena se na sabe madi ade hia one more yendi no abrosa wakasa akirem se obebo no homode no besiesia ya sebe na be ya befonsa no se betimi ya bo na de hia one more yendi ene ne potem nyina da woni be ya sabe papa etimi ya connect ya wa pomuden sesane ho sensem so etimi eja ne naso pam wasaka se akirem se ade hia mo yendi ne potem no nansen enso ho sensem ya denti obo no homode ahwe asiesie ne nyina manyankopɔ ya adom na abatoi odimu nkonim pe enso ho sensem akɔ atwe no ade hia mo yendi be ya twam kabea ma muso masetrem etimi ya de pa
There are things we're doing on the drawing board for Yendi constituency. When MPP came, they have refused to continue. One is the Yendi water system. It's supposed to take water from the river here at Sabare, feed all the communities, including Nani, all the way to Yendi, and give all of them water. We also had on the drawing board the Yendi District Hospital project. For 8 years now, this government has done nothing about it. I even thought that if they were doing Agenda 111, they will come and put one at Yendi. Unfortunately, there's nothing. NDC is coming to build a modern district hospital at Yendi so that it will be a referral hospital for all the people around Yendi.
Any awoti ye aya frankatuni edema National Democratic Congress NDC Emmanuel no Omamperinda da John Dramani Mahama nene ene atiye
Yentu awia prem to break ase bono eso yedi free DLFM 106.9 Kwadwo praise
hallelujah
adia wuye
ehu
if ya sanke TV so yetu akase bono so akwanim na yedru political season de ombeka bia yenso ye de beba eba na sanso ade Ghana fo beka bia yenso ye de beko enti de Ghana fo ka no eno so ye de beso mo ate ne nyina no ene se kana mampane John Dramani Mahama ade ato dwa kire mu se emra na wote so no na dollar wo fra mamuom na dollar eye 4 cedis to $1 sabre na mampane Akufo Addo ka se ope mampane ade enti no kana mampane John Dramani Mahama on resign efri se wantimi antoto Ghana sikasem anna nyame adom 2016 amemu nse san ye mampane Akufo Addo ene Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia eba ye na wobra wo ba ye ka say dollar no eye 17 cedis na no ana kana mampane John Dramani Mahama de ato dwa kirem se mampane Akufo Addo ene Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia se bi ensuohia no a wodi tutu akokọ ho no sanfom so ni ho de a sansuohia no a wodi tutu akokọ de ho a enfom so ni ho firi se bi se atwesire mienu gu apa so a empanisi ye ni ba ko no nya ba ko yewura Mahama e kirem se saabra no ano ono wote so no 4 cedis to $1 mpomo se won resign ne dollar eye 17 cedis dia mampani Akufo Addo woti akuna no so eye den sansam a waka ye no ana DLFM sam trofo atiese montre so ene Ghana fo di nkomo se mode etoto emfinhia nwotwe yi se mode mampani Akufo Addo mamuo ene Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia mamuo etoto yewura Mahama emfinhia na ho a muhu se hwan pa na de Ghana akwa wura mnem na musu se mampani Akufo Addo wa drive Ghana ka ne ye ana Ghana fo be kire se hwan said the was ya born to a performance where there's zero cry. Ebim so kire se an mampani Akufo Addo woni Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia se na wo ma no na ede wo mo de atro na bagie nkokuro mo TV akire bo sha kese ye tisika so ekwom de yen ekwom no kura de ye kire sa abra na wo mo ka sa asem no ene ye Ghana fo ni bi adwen kire ebinom so kire se na sa ban wa ya de social intervention policies free senior high edem Agenda 111 wasi enu nti aban we ya de pa Ghana for adwen kire no ebinie.
I will say the expectation that we had for him is waning down. Everybody is murmuring things at the market, or our traders are also complaining. We the buyers too are not able to buy because the money in the system is very difficult to get money to buy things in the market. So if I'll give him any mark at all, I'll give him 45, but the 50, not 50.
For me, I admire the program about the free SHS and rules too. I traveled to Temale recently. I see that the rules at the north there, they are going on. Compared to our south here, he has tried his best.
I would have given him like 60%. For most of the things that he promised to do, he did it, and then he has done most of them. So I would have given him the 60%. However, he was supposed to add up because when he was coming, he said that he's going to do the total 100%. So now that I'm giving him the 60%, that means left with the 40%. So these 40% were not done.
Before Akufo Addo said he was coming to rule this country, he promised us what to do, what he can favor us. But he didn't do it as he came, he didn't do it. And now he's fighting for another power again. And I don't think he can win. I can't give Akufo Addo even 30%. Honestly speaking, when you get to the EV hospital, people are dying there because of no money. Condition is not permanent. When you get to the hospital, when you even go to hospital, even at times you be in the car, the doctors come and take your temperature and everything, which is very bad. And you say this country, we are not we have for. And here's the case, we are more than we have.
Was a Ghana say he are more than a here for. Enti a Ghana for be nature one more than which him say be much agenda 111 no abana ya de pa anti we no e Ghana for adwenkyere ana yɛde ato dwa yo
yɛto akasɛbɔ no so ane yɛtwi break ne yɛgyina mu ɛwɔ MPP ɔsene kokoko amanyokronum na frankatuni ade ma wɔ no wampani abɛdie Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wakasa kyerɛm sɛ afi wei nyankopɔn frama bi pa wɔbɔ wɔ wie mu no ɛyɛ nwunwunu sei na sɛ deɛ mframa no etwa hia no bibia de adanse sɛ oh MP amanyokro franka no ɛnam wiem ɛnam mframa na hu na kɔ soro na ni sidie yi abatofom sɛ tem enti waso da ya hunu sɛ afi wei abatoa ne de o ebutu adane o MP amanyokro nkunim de ɛbɛyɛ mo de pam wakasa na wɔkyerɛ mi sɛ de enti a wakasa ne nyina sɛ wohwɛ aban hyehyɛ Paul de agu akwan mu pa ne sunsuanso abɔ man Ghana maso a oh Ghana fo ne mo ekɔyi pam ne senti ɔwani sum sɛ de Ghana fo asetena mo nnɛ ɛwom sɛ ne ba ko mienu bi ayɛ ne ho bibia wɔ hɔ nanso no dodoɔ na da yi enti bibia de adanse sɛ afu abaton de MP amanyokuo so kokoko amanyokuo ne de nkonimdie ɛbɛyɛ mo de pam ɔde sɛ wɔde tudwa ɛmɛ ko pie mu ɔkan hyi adwadata mu no ɔbɔ ntoa na wɔka sɛ de wɔkyerɛ mi sɛ oh afi abaton bibia da din na ɔka sɛ ade sɛ ne sɛ free senior high school no yamfa ma ɔsɛ mo de aba na ɔmo bɔ mo nsɛm abo agye so pra sam ɔka sɛ na wɔkyerɛ mi sɛ adeɛ ba kɔde na koma so enti ɔkɔfa Ghana card ne ba ne sɛ watena ase ahunu sɛ ɔmaga na yɛtim sɛsɛ na de hyɛ mo mmɔden ɛkɔ amonane kɔfa nneɛma de ba ɔman mu no tutus na mutua no ayana ne bo ɔden dodo nti bo sɛ dwadifoɔ ne brɛ wɔn bɛyɛ adwuma bɛwie ne ka brɛ kyɛ sɛ ɛmɔntoma no na ɔmo gye damade atusrɛ ɔkyerɛ mi sɛ ha adwen yɛ nti ɔmo de nhyɛpɛ de agu akura mu a bɛdu baabi no nyankopɔn yɛ adom na kama kɔna moto abande mɔmpɛ ɔmampani abɛgye Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na ɔba sɛ kaw oh tax ne nyina bɛyɛ frat bibia bɛtɔ din ma Ghana nso yɛbɔtɔm atimi ayɛ de pam wakasa de kyerɛ mi sɛ Ghana fo adeɛ wɔ a wayɛ yɛso ani yie paa ne senti afia bato we ne deɛ sɛ de tie bia no mɔmɔden sɛ mbɛtimi ato aba no ɛde yama MPP amanyokɔ afiri sɛ mobɔ pɛ initiative ahodom de agu akwan mu na agenda 111 project no so mbatoa so ma Ghana yɛbɔtɔm atimi ayɛ de pam ɛno mampani abɛgye Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ɛwotira kasɛmo no emu enkyere mu nie
adia mehu ewo Ghana nyina me kono eso kyerɛ sɛ insha Allah FDP will win the 2024 elections on December 7th. The Entina MPP yɛbɛdi nkonim no efiri ejuma ayɛ ɛnyɛ saa yɛbaayɛ hyɛ Ghanafoɔ bɔ sɛ yɛbaayɛ the free senior high school education ɛbɛba Ghana yɛkaayɛ no ɔmampanyin dada ka kyerɛ sɛ yɛdaadaa Ghanafoɔ ɛyɛ 419 ɛmba so it's not possible ɛna mekaa sɛ it is possible nyame yɛ adom ɛna meso me bɛtena akonia no so a mede m'ani ɛhwɛ adwadifoɔ saa na mekaa sɛ Bawumia means business.
ɛno akyi na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne kasa mu ɛna ɔsan kyerɛ mu sɛ adeɛ baako de na koma so paa ne sɛ Nyankopɔn yɛ de na Ghanafoɔ moto aba de ma na ɔbɛyɛ ɔmampani a ɔba pɛ ɔma mmɔden akɔfa ɛyɛ Women Trade Empowerment Fund de aba na no ne de woyɛ ɔba adwadini ɛwɔ man Ghana mu de a wate dɛnɛ atadwufo wa ne nyina ne sɛ adeɛ a wobɛhia ɛyɛ Ghana card pɛ onsaka Ghana card na wokɔ abɛnya bosia na bosia ne si adwumadie bi apɛ sɛ wode wotumi adi adi na watratra ɔkɔ na adwadi a wodie no ho atumi ato wei obi ametata onkɔfa abusua pɛ ne ma sɛ woba bɛsi busia no ne yama na bosia ɔse dɛbɛ ne bɛyɛtwam ka bia nti baba na to aba no fama ɔmampani abɛgye Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no ɔba pɛ ɛmadwadifo masetrem ɛbɛyɛ dɛdɛdɛ paa
yɛde adeɛ a yɛfrɛ no Women's Trade Empowerment Fund yɛbɛboa mmaa adwadifoɔ yɛde sika ɛbɛma mo mmaa adwadifoɔ yɛde sika ɛma mo under the Women's Trade Empowerment Fund saa sika yi ɛyɛ loan na ɛni mamo ɛnyɛ bank na ɛsɛ mokɔ bank a yɛbɛha mo adwen Women's Trade Empowerment Fund sika yi adeɛ a wohia sɛ wobɛgye saa loan no ɛne Ghana card wode Ghana card ba yɛde loan no ɛbɛma wo ne nyinaa no no
ɛne a wote yɛ frankatini ɛde ma ɔsono kokoko amanyokuro no MPP Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ɛna wɔkyerɛ m sɛ monto aba no fama na ɔba pɛ Women Trade Empowerment Fund ɛbɛba adeɛ baako a Ghana dwadifo mu hia pɛ ɛyɛ Ghana card mo nsaka wei ehu hia sɛ ɔbɛkɔ bank akodi lie so wɔn nsa bɛka na adwadie no watumi atrɛtrɛ wakɔbɛ mu emu nkyerɛ mu ɛna yɛde asom mu yi
kɔjɔ Ghana card ayira
me o me deɛ ɔ
okay
enti wei ɛnkyɛ bia mba bɛware sɛ de waka ne nti ɔba no mɛhyɛ ne dwa
lo a wo bɛgye no
Skaki to be pen mehia.
They won't hear they won't hear Ghana.
Oh, there be some medical pescaki to be a show banija.
Okay.
No one yana license or which them so would dig Cassie. So what I say.
That's right.
The Marco Jebo send that tendency.
What the Ghana card no?
I'm the Ghana card dependent because I know I can't one.
But Ghana card in fact I heard you man, what's that? Hey, a new way, strong man on you bio. Assassin and could also say, oh, true, Sam, my. Ghana card, no guys, a guys over to cry the tower. Okay.
And no family into be.
Say I do what you that watch.
I heard me young quarter here
try her
and me.
Oh, go fit that go you would the table and wins cause here we are.
And me go say be na farmer.
Who go dey who?
Who dey obetimi aka. Na who kan wi a. E kira sem no.
Me anto akase ebo no esoi. Enra ana Supreme Court etenase na asetena no nyina no ene se ensam kase na da Supreme Court ene emrahye bedwam ache amehene yewura aban Kingsford so mana bagben entemo a akoye enchi no ahye no enra ana Chief Justice Yemame Araba Tokonu ede atemu no ba ye kiremu se wo hwe agency a speaker agina yesi ye no a Ghana mra no ema no kwan enu nte no application no wabo atoagu babie na asendie no nyame ayadoma wochina Supreme Court besa atena so biem na aban lawyer pani a wono ana ye osoafo hwe atentere no eso mekire Attorney General miame wo faase Godfred Ebo Adame next person na emefe wode atodwa kirem se na esesa nka speaker ono ankasa yedi ni begina court wona nka wo yi nsem ano pa na ese adan wo se asam no ekoso no yewra speaker wono ana ye first defendant na eba ne se no wono timi kofa lawyer wopani tadio sorry say ono emra megina nem na wono ankasa wa apia court ho na wa ma meyi ensem bia no wo kiremu a asenie no ekoso no tese wodwene ho na wonte ase se wo speaker na wotena parliament ana wo kirem se da bi wagina article 97 clause 1G so declare konwa 9 vacant ama se se nsana kwa kopiem wo court wa eba ne sen ana wotimi high lawyer se lawyer ana ema megina mu emfa ema wonto wonde wo hu ne senka esesa nkom di speaker na nkasa eba court ho bie wobra wo kirekire ni nsem no emu nsem ne
conflict with that of the attorney. In this case, as I said, in a constitutional case, there's nothing like a person have an interest in it. What interest does the Speaker of Parliament have in the interpretation of the Constitution? So there's no interest, no personal interest of the Speaker of Parliament, and that's the point I sought to make. That indeed, when it comes to constitutional actions, the most important interest is the true and proper interpretation of the relevant provisions of the Constitution, and that is it. So it's not as if a person has a personal interest in it. And if that's the case, as I indicated in some cases that I cited, it is actually a proper interpretation of the Constitution by the Supreme Court that is most important. As I said, I've always tolerated the Speaker of Parliament and his representation, even though I know it's not lawful. And of course, it is not. The point must be made. It is not an attempt to prevent the Speaker from having representation. If the Speaker wants to have a lawyer, the Speaker must procure the lawyer lawfully. And then, as I said, the Attorney General, even when he's seeking the service of a lawyer to represent the government in cases outside the country, in foreign courts, goes through PPR approval all the time. Even the Chief Justice, the former Chief Justice, Okogyeabour, who was, with all respect, using the services of Third Authority, had to go to PPR approval. And I know for a fact that he has not received any PPR approval. And so he's in flagrant violation of the provisions of the law. And that is what we sought to do.
Enti ani ayeti ye me wa faase a wo ye Attorney General Godfred Ebo Adame ana wo de sanse moyi ato edwa no na mamenko Facebook no so frese se bi mpenese ye nkwado yina no se wo faase kan ana wa kaisa akotokure nso etwene ho ba bi kojo so ni makotokure
menimpa
mo wo de sign hanoa hono mo a
se eno na omoka ne se weeding kwana no
weeding kwana
ade ba kopa ne brofo ba ya ene ne twi din nyina ye pepe
weeding kwana akotokure se bi nkita wa adonya da kura oh titiro se bia ukoto we mu pa ananse adua
wada udanwuram ho chesere mi o
ananse adua
o kasa ye boni bibia de adanse se sa se hwi
enkanse mu na wiabo enkanse mu
ekura na se wono wotena ho che pa
eninse mu na wiabo ana abi
emre me pam kusie bi pa koto bi ma okon me pie na me koto dwa me na hu nyina sei
en fa na ginantwi
hey emre ko
how che ana ba ko se fa na ananse dokono ananse dokono ndi atwitwa ananse dokono ana se woni mai fencing mi gina nyina beso woni mi gina nyina beso wan kwa tutuo da sa na woni mu anwere
anwere de minim
sa
ene nsanso no de enim no nyina entide
entide na mo woni mi gina nyina beso
ende minim
okay na woni mu obrane atuata
ne matepa
what an haso
mi de mani ahu bi
kofi
akon
kofi tela woni mu obrane atuata okay
ene sisi enso njenje
Dabi obrani ati wata sinje njenje.
Sa dodo na ta wo nso.
Die fa na abontinu ya no, abontinu ya.
Oh, okay.
Wenu abontinu ya.
Ebi wo ho no ma abodin no kra. Say that time my backroom o.
But me backroom me hu abontinu ya ne bi da wo.
Ebra sa nua ne fifire ne ma backroom ti na me fire kra.
Me backroom me hu obrani ati atanda. A champo de me hu na. Ha me hu obrani ati ata.
Ntina ha mfra man.
Agisa me go bomfa nyina ase.
Yeah, sure.
Makofa obrani ati ata ba. And what the ko brofu my be say obrani ati ata ne brofu.
Enimere beba.
Enti ma men ko Facebook no so. Na men kan na fo ajira de kakra. Ye rade. E go de kuro ma de mi si minyangu yo. Because medin sem hu na cha papa. Se unity minyangu rade. Na still Evansko and was say in fact DLFM news super A1 keep up the good work. Was what I papa was I am watching you live. Eddie free as Yoja Ewa Bono region. Yeah, that's a papa ya Bono region for Anna Odo Eddie free man was NDC is a party. Okay, was NDC as a party has nothing better to offer Ghanaians. Yeah, that's it. Anna Gloria Edu and also offer keep up the good work. Yeah, that's a papa Gloria. Say Bibia Bokode. Anna Robert Gameli was offer. Talk to your nephews, politicians, because their manipulation is when they blame us for our reactions to their toxic behavior, but never discuss the disrespect that triggered us because of their unfulfilled promises. Hey, Gameli, what a brofu? Sure, Gameli, what a brofu be at nas what the Mikaeta Meta on home for my etapoli. Was some one and was in news with them. Ewo, what's that for? Okogyeabour Hey market. Hey market.
Timber
market. Mo ehona Gameli wo. Was in news with them pa. Na Filippo odi free kwabre kasem. And was so what exactly killed Mamia Kwadwo and them slow yenim. Asama wo busa yen. Wo hu Kwadwo wo yesa page na de atuni patent ko hu
yesre no yentientia for e patent
yeah adabo ni sata bandilo
ho no se a doctor for no mo wo ehu nimdi a ene ye Mamia Kwadwo abusuafo no
open autopsy a abusuafo no
betimi e dia ba se yetete ha de yentimi
that's right de betima kan ne se friend say flag bearer no Kwadwo sa flag bearer se wujitum.
Oh, meaning to me say.
That's right.
In France, if we say,
as you feel
ye. So, Roman, you may have dominance and nobody are eternity.
Aye.
A horse in the union.
That's right. Enti Roma we nipe Marco Council of State Chairman. And some and can some who made in Ugruma.
Calling him.
Wafake the new prime station. Was a former President John Dramani Mahama. Why are you running away from debate? And also will be saying, Anna Richard Ahwe, DJ Ghanaman, and also Okogyeabour. Good afternoon to you and to Kwadwo Sammy. In fact, this trash going on at Boko must stop because it's only one Ghana that we have. We should not sit down for greedy people to destroy this nation all because of Boko. Medas papa DJ Ghanaman betchere station hono ma wo bie mu akyere se drivers ne ma na eton wa che wo hono Amalia se bibia bokode na Kwadwo wudru DJ ai Ghana man hono a drinking spot be ben on insane faso.
Oh okay.
Me free ha no ma me kotwitwa bi pa.
Na e be hia no.
Me koyem hu bi.
Omo no ye be.
Koyem hu bi. Mba mente hwe kura. Say eno sa me ba me asoja fo ni besi ene wo me share camp ho. Na Gloria Edu wo so fa. Kwadwo hwebrofo Gloria de aba. So hunu
me hwe se me hunu ba.
Ukokan so wanya nsam. Gloria.
Samna.
Min samna.
Samna mano.
Amu. Any Gloria na ma samna. Yeah, that's papa. Gloria, we knew. Boy, yeah, boy. Yes, now Prince Manson was said the news is very sad. Why Ghana? Okay. Was so the freak as well. Anna Steven at we was say hello of Anomanam. I am great we have Ewatama. Please, we advise Boko people to smoke a peace pipe since we are in an election year. And once again, we plead with GPRT to consider the citizens of this country. Vida Katara will say, I am doing the listening live inside Ashaiman. Wafa, please, wish my one and only pastor, Nana Yao. Okay, happy birthday to any pastor. A happy birthday goes out to you on behalf of Vida Katara. Mo Yadasim. Anna Wansunye, Hansin Diodu. Was it good afternoon? Walk on any Kwadwo Sammy. Was it Aiku. Thank you very much for your good work done for Mother Ghana. Happy birthday goes out to Mami C. And was say I am watching you live from Atomic Hotel down Suman. Anna Piaga. With the free Achimwasafo. And was say vote number 1. And on also what they abey. Enti abusuya. Ekwatenti bia no bewie. Ewa bobuano. Na Kofi Taylor de ko Facebook no eso. Akenkan fonso ye mienu tie begina so ha. Na kasebo no yadniti ahye motuom na yabunukom sei adwe akenkanfo mienu edi ameje so eye gan stakatia mite nkura Okogyeabour Ocran mene
takrade kodokrum twabe wede hyekonkron Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B
ebusuya ye so a National Women Organizer Emma Ghana Freedom Party Nana Adwoa Siroke ene kwame ya kire twan kwame ya fum wombese nkonya ana afenso no sexiest journalist na wonom ede ya wada compound DL hour wo de abrɛwo enchimu emfiri ha mane na ha kopem sa no miensa bɛbɔ ensem wokurom ha wo betensem ne ene wachi no la nkwantanan constituency women organizer Emma Ghana Freedom Party Silver Lady ana amanhira mensa na wono nso aba ene obetene papa no kopem se no nsia ebebo enti dwumadie no ededa so se kolebu mochire enti bidibiem eye gangster cat ya mitenkura Okogyeabour Ocran mene
takrade kodokrum deshe kronkron twabe wudi shipon Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B
Kwadwo
okon
wafa ayire chipen
minya nwale mpo na makofo bi achi
over your liar kura
ensimpo
Ono ba fu fra da pen e wo yiri achi
over my liar
over
my liar say bet me sa me three yes